Honor X9b OLED LCD screen replacement. First, off the device and remove the SIM tray. Then put liquid remove to soften the parts. To quickly remove the back glass on the camera side. Then remove the bolt as well. And open the side of the device to remove the back cover. And also use a hot air gun to soften the glue inside. Next, remove all the bolts to get camera frame. And remove flex to get the battery. And use the hot air gun again to make it easier to remove the LCD. And this is the new LCD OLED that I bought and supported fingerprint. This is what the LCD look like. Before installing the LCD, first remove all the protection plastic. Be careful when attaching the LCD so not to damage the other parts. Next, put in the battery. After that, turn on the device to test if the LCD is working. As you can see, the LCD is good. Remove the battery again to clean old glue so that it doesn't peel off easily. Use a nail drill to make the frame easier to clean. After cleaning, apply new glue to properly attach the LCD to the frame. Squeeze it a little to press LCD into the frame. Then return the flexes and the battery, also the camera frame. After attaching the camera frame, next attach the bolts and apply glue again to attach the back cover of the device. And this is the final look of the X9b device, all goods and working properly. Also support fingerprint. If you want the LCD screen of Honor X9b 5G, I put the link in the yellow basket. Check out now with affordable price and freebies.